Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to recover deleted Instagram account. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone, then tap login and enter your username and password. If your account was temporarily deactivated, you can log back in anytime and your account will be automatically restored. But if your account was permanently deleted, Instagram cannot restore it. You'll need to create a new account using the same email or phone number. And also, if you think that your account was disabled by mistake, go to the browser and visit help.instagram.com and then search for My Instagram account was deactivated and fill out the appeal form, and that's it. You've now learned how to recover or restore your Instagram account depending on the situation. Try logging in again or submit an appeal if it was disabled, and your Instagram might come back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!